Hi guys, this is my first Java tutorial and I'll be showing you how to program in Java step by step. I think you follow and you will get to understand what Java is and how to work with Java, and I'll be so fast and I will do it very easy way for you. So let's go to the business now. For starting Java, you have your just like Microsoft Office. Also, you have your plugins here, you have your ribbons here also. So you can create new project. That's Java. See, we have Java Effect, Java Web. So we are still going on that very soon. But now we are, for all this tutorial we have, I don't know how many tutorial I can cover up to cover Java because it's wide. We are still going to Java Swing, we are still going to Java, but now we are still going to Java console class. So that's what's going on. This is the main class. The main class serves the entering points of the code. They say the 1,000 miles of journey start from a point. So that is where it's starting from. This is where you get the code. This is the source, the first source of the code. If you are writing multiple code, maybe you are writing codes here outside this place, you are to call it here because this is the main class. Whatever is inside this main block, this code block, whatever is, this one is called parameters. So whatever is inside this, that's what it's going to execute. So let's go to the business. We're starting by the word hello world. So how to print out hello world to the console. So we have all this library. We have libraries imported. That comes with Java IDE, development kit. Just go online and download the video tutorial for that. Maybe later on I can create a video tutorial on how to download netbeans and how Java JDK works as development kit. So now let's start with system.out.println. You can see. So system.out.println hello world. Hello world. Oh, sorry. Now you have the hello world out here. Out here. So if you run your program, you have two ways of running program. You can press Control function F5. It runs. You see this is my display. So let's see what's going on now. Yeah, see, you can view it. This hello world, that's what I printed there. So that's it. In this my video tutorial, I'll be giving you assignments. Sometimes we'll be getting to print, like here now, if you want to print a couple of things. Hello world, I love you guys. You can print them by copying this and paste it a couple of times. So guys, hello. Done. Yeah, so let's run it. You can use, see now, guys, hello, how are you doing? And I can print it on the same line. So let me show you the way we print on the same line. we're having this system.out.print line that's print in the next line. So whatever is going to print now is going to print in the next line. So let's remove this print. Don't print to the next line. We want you to print it relative to each other. So that's how it works. So let's give this a space so it can make sense. Yeah, well, let's view it. You can run from here also because it's your main class. You can see hello guys. You can see hello, how are you doing? So that's the video tutorial on system.out. What next do you want? Then you can go on and practice on your own how to use this. You can use it to make a word. You can also use it to create words for yourself to make such of things. So the next video tutorial will be making use of, we'll be going to arithmetic operators, like using arithmetic operators. So thank you once